Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, SSDT/Ssis runtime, and a compatible SSMS. Once done, open Visual Studio or SSDT and create a new Ssis project. Name the default package ETL main so you can reference it. Next, add connection managers for your source and target, OLDB for SQL Server, Flatfile for CSVs, or Ado. NET for other providers. Make sure credentials and test queries return rows. This prevents later package failures and speeds initial debugging. Now design the control flow. Place an execute SQL task for staging steps, then add a data flow task for rows processing. Wrap related tasks in sequence containers to manage dependencies. Inside data flow, link the source component to transforms, use lookup for lookups, derived column for computed fields, and conditional split to route bad data. Finally, connect to the destination. Also set row-level error handling to redirect rows. Configure on error event handlers, and enable logging to the Ssis catalog so you can diagnose problems later. To finish, deploy the project to the Ssis catalog and create environment variables for connection strings or credentials. Set project and package parameters appropriately for dev, test, and prod. Execute the package from SSMS or schedule it with SQL Agent. Watch the Integration Services catalog reports to confirm success. If something fails, immediately open the execution report, review logged messages and error codes, validate connections and permissions, and rerun only the failed tasks after fixing the root cause to save time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.